Yo, what is up? It is your boy Chris Colgan. I got the Air Jordan 4 white Oreo early. You definitely got to watch this whole video. You know the drill. If you want to hit on Sneakers app every time, you got to like this video and subscribe. That is the only way you will hit. If you don't, it's bad luck. But let's just get right into it. I just got all these like new hot shoes in. We actually had Z Sneakerhead himself come to my house to check these white Oreos out. I've had to like literally, since it came out, wash my damn bag because these shoes are so hot. Like I got my blinds closed. Like I got a bodyguard. Like I don't even know. Like these things are hot. Yo, like I usually don't get excited about the shoes. These things right here, these white Oreos, they are hard. Like, so when I posted them, okay, one more thing real quick. I'm gonna bitch about everything real quick about the sneaker business. How the hell do me and Bobby for 4 months shoot professional photos, professional videos, and then I post a damn picture of a shoe on a deck and that goes viral? I don't understand it. You know what? Like, I don't look at like pictures of models and like, oh my God, that's so hot. And then I ask them to like lay in grass and take a picture of their leg. You know what I mean? Like, that is not how it works. What is going on? Like, why does everybody like these weird outdoor shots? But whatever, we'll give the people what we want because I am the king of early sneakers. Even Gino, African Caesar, sneaker, whatever their show is called. I can't, you know what, guys? You're not big enough for me anymore. The thing is, like, we just went crazy with these. May 29th, they're going to be about $190. They're hard as We're going to have to bleep that out. I know because your mom or whoever might be watching the YouTube's not going to like it. They're hard. They got the metallic paint on here, the mesh, all, you know, the Jordan 4 colorway. Classic, man. Like, I know this post, when Z posted it, it went pretty viral. And a bunch of other sites posted it. There was like languages that I didn't even know. I had to like bust out my translator to like read about them. Hopefully these are early pairs. So like, if you guys know the drill now, we all do. Backdoor is going to be crazy on these everywhere. And then they're eventually going to hit sneakers, probably be delayed, get out there, and then hard to get. Like always, I would guess that everybody gives me crap. And then I did on the Uni Blues. I said, they're about 900 now. They're going to drop to 500. Then there will be 700. That's what I said on the Uni Blues video. Go back and watch. The thumbnail is a picture of a screaming emoji, all that. I'm exactly right, motherfuckers. That's what it's at right now. When it hits sneakers, those are gonna be like 400 or 500. They're already been backdoored everywhere anyways. So, and like you can comment and like hate on it, but that's just the way the sneaker game is right now. These are gonna be the same way. I feel like these are gonna be even hotter than the University Blues 4s. Just like they're gonna be hitting right before summer. They're going to be hot with girls. That's the main thing, right? Like if you're a reseller, look, the girls are really into sneakers now. So you want shoes, if you're buying to resell, for girls to find that are going to like. These type of shoes are it. Mids, which everyone makes fun of. I don't know why. I like some of them. Same thing. So how to cop these, it's way too early for me to even tell you how to cop these. You're going to have to like wait until like more info comes out. They'll probably be on foot sites. I don't even know. You know, everybody's going to be buying them. So honestly, guys, like I like sneakers, but I am not going to sit here and tell you a fucking story about this shoe and like when Michael Jordan made a shot in this and you know what type of material it is. I don't know that much about them. I just think they look cool, okay? So don't ask for that type of shit. Like I'm not going to do that. You'll probably see some of these pop up too on like mystery boxes that you like see online. Trust me, I've already had them. I've got them. I was like the first person with them. So, and I'm not telling you this to brag. We're just trying to like blow up and like show you guys like the value we're bringing here. You know what I mean? Like it's not like being cocky or anything. It's like, hey, and we like to be funny. You know that. Like we're not like serious. Like completely like this shit is like taken way too serious. I'm not gonna lie. Like a damn Jordan shoe is not that serious. Like they're cool, but if you're out there dropping like 10 to 20 G's or whatever on a pair of Jordans, like you got problems. Like I can tell you some other money. Just give the damn money to me and I will get you early pairs a lot cheaper. One more thing. I love you guys. Like go on my Instagram at Chris Colgan because like Z Sneakerhead, I love you. You're my boy. All these other blogs, like we post stuff and then like for whatever reason, they don't really use it, or which I don't really care. We're trying to blow up our own personal stuff, you know? So I know I've gone on a rant just because we haven't posted in a couple weeks. I'm not mad. Damn it. All right. So Bobby always kills it with the videos. We're going to show you that, the B-roll, the crazy B-roll footage. Check it out. Again, definitely try your best to get these. And like, don't be one of those people, please, I beg you, that thinks to yourself, I'm going to pre-order these from whatever website. You pre-order them for $400 or $500 and you're like, yep, I got a good deal. And then you get the shoes 6 months later after they released. I have not figured out why people do that. Sorry to anybody that watches my channel that does that or like has a company that does that. That just makes no sense to me. I just saw people were just now getting the J Balvin Jordan 1s that paid for them a long time ago. You're basically giving these companies a free loan. Like you might as well just pay early, backdoored like everybody else. And I'm like the truth teller. I'm gonna tell you all how it works. There's no bullshit here. And also, like, we'll shoot another video on this. Don't go out and try to buy earlier sneakers like me. Trust me, you're going to get burned. You guys literally saw, you're going to get burned literally because I literally burned a pair of fake Jordans. You ain't seen anybody doing that. I've already seen people burn shoes that I knew were fake. I got from the same source, which I never talked to that person again. And they're putting pictures of them out there. So like, don't try to get into this game. It's not that I don't want you to, or I think like I want competition. I could care less. Like I work my ass off. But the thing is, like, you're going to get burned and it's a lot of money. Like, and I'm not telling you that to brag. I'm telling you that to like, just wait until you can get a box pair somewhere. So again, check out the footage. Hope you liked it. Follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. Also check out my boy Bobby. He always posts. I tag him and everything. I will see you at the top or from the top. Please share our page. Appreciate it. Love y'all.